Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can delete Facebook business page. And without any further ado, let's get it started. So first of all, as you can see, we are already landed in our profile, so we just need to switch our profile into our business page. So we already created a couple of business pages for our users, so you just need to click on profile icon and then you will eventually see the business page in that place. So select all of them. So I'll select this one, how to deal, and then it will land me in that place, and it is our page. So here, if you want to delete the page, you just need to be again click on profile icon and then just go to the setting and privacy, and then eventually click on setting. Once you click over here, then it will give you this kind of a interface, and from that place you just need to be scroll down and then find it out access and control underneath your information option. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, actually you will get to see that there is a couple of three options like unpublished page. This is the temporary, only you and the people who manage how to digital will be able to see and edit this page. You can publish this page against at any time. Then deactive page, this is also temporary, but the delete page is the permanent. You won't able to retrieve the content or information you have shared on Facebook as this page. Your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So now we just need to click on continue. Once you click over here, then you just need to provide the password and it will be done. Your page is completely this. The process is really simple. Now I know you will already understand how the process really works. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.